citizen. What seems to be the problem?
I can't figure out my math. It doesn't make any sense. It's supposed to be surface area, but
I see the problem. Do this real quick. Bring it over. Alright. So, for this one, you were using 11 pi r squared, but it's supposed to be 4 pi r squared. Because for pi r squared, that's how you find the circumference, the area. And then multiply by 4 to find the surface area. And for this one, you didn't have anything written down because you were stuck on the last one. But this is the formula to find lateral area, which is the wraparound of this, which is circumference of each circle times height. And then you gotta add 2 of the areas of the base to equal surface area. So the first answer would be, the answer to this one would be 615.75. Because you do 7 squared times pi times 4, which would end up with about 615.75.
that makes so much more sense.
And then if you plug everything in for here, the answer is comes to about 376.99. And this is if you're rounding to the nearest hundred as well.
Wow, thanks, math man.
No problem, citizen. Now, I must go. There's another student who needs help.
Alright, Jackson with real world examples. Ready? So let's say you're painting your prism house, right? So really, surface area is just all the faces added up. So basically, that's all it is, you know? This is A, this is A, and there's supposed to be a say A. So, you know, and then take your handy dandy calculator and you just add it all up. Stop.
1.
Alright, so as you can see, these are the short sides. You add up the areas of those, you get 9 and 9. And then we had 8 times 3, which is 24, times the 4 sides. You get all this. All of it adds up to 114. Now, what we could do is, since you don't paint the bottom of your house, you can subtract 24, which would be 90. Ta-da. So,
1 minute mark.
So that's what you could do. And a little trick I'll teach you real fast because we're running out of time. Let's say you got your paint can, right? And, you know, how do you find the surface area of this? One thing you can do, which was what Math Man showed us. Loch Ness Monster has a cylindrical neck, and then it's just LA plus 2B, right? And everybody can remember that, except for Caleb. So, and that's easy, you know? And that concludes every stupid. Goodbye.